Alright guys, a quick recap of what we did in the past videos. In the past videos, we saw a quick recap of what we did in the past tones. So we saw the first four tones and how they are pronounced. We said the first one is which is the second one is what, which is the third one is really, which is and the fourth one is damn, which is But the last tone is a little tricky, which is just a shorter form of the first one, which is this is this is all right. So let's go and see. So can you now pronounce what M is using the last tone, the neutral tone? Of course, you got it. The pronunciation is ma. All right. The second one, the second word we'll be looking at is le, which is l. All right. Now, the issue at this point is that, as you can see, these are words that contain more than one syllables. All the while, we'll be dealing with single syllable words, the pronunciation of single syllable words. But in this last one, we've introduced some double syllable words. You see, this is double syllable B-O and Z-I. And this is H-O-U, first syllable, Z-I, the last syllable. This is Y-I, first syllable, and Z-I, the second syllable. Chinese words are mainly made up of syllables. Even in the writing, each writing is basically just a syllable, like sometimes or most times. If we look at what we had here, you see that this is a syllable and this is a syllable. So ni, how. So that's how Chinese words are generally structured. Each of the writing is a sort of syllable. All right, so now we're looking at the neutral tone. The way you pronounce this, there are rules. The neutral tone is easy to pronounce, but there are rules when it's being combined, or when some of the tones are being combined with other tones. So for instance here, we see that just before we see the last tone, which is the neutral tone, we are seeing the third tone, which is yi, yi. So if you wanted to pronounce this normally, it would be yi, z, yi, z. In Chinese, you don't pronounce Z as Z, you pronounce it as TZ. Z, z, we'll get to that. So this is pronounced yi, z. But it's a wrong pronunciation because there's a rule that states that the last neutral tone is going to change if it is preceded by a third tone. Same thing with these two. The last tone is going to change if it's preceded by a second tone. So those are the rules we'll be looking at in the next video. But just know that if it is not preceded by any of these two, then it's just going to sound like the short form of the first tone, which is ma, l, ma, l. All right, I'm going to just give you a tip or an example of what I mean by pronouncing these words. Like I said, normally if you follow the rules I've given you in the past, it's just going to sound like yitz, yitz, but that's not how it sounds. These people pronounce this word yitz, yitz. See, yitz, that's how they pronounce this word. It sounds yitz, yitz, but this one sounds haozi, haozi, haozi. This one sounds bozi, 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 haozi, yitz, 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 ma, ma, hozi, hozi, yitz, yitz. You see that the last pronunciation, the neutral tone is changing because it's being affected by this. All right, so in the next video, I'll teach you this rule. Like I said, once we're done with that rule, we're done with the pronunciation aspects, which means you now know the basics of Chinese pronunciations. The rest will be damn easy. The rest of this course will be very easy. All right, see you going forward.